Smallie. It's a decent one.
They're so pretty. I just love the way a smallmouth looks, dude.
Yeah, smallmouth are awesome.
That's a pretty fucking fish.
They aren't rainbow trout, but they fight better. There we go. This boy stole a couple minnows from me before I got him. Wow, look at that. It's a nice fish. It's off in the net. Got him just in time. Nice looking guy. He's got lots of leeches or something on him. Just dirt. Alright, let's get this guy back in the water. This last one. Go. Smaller one. I should be able to get this one out. There we go. Very nice. Fish number 2. Nice looking smallie. Got my bait back. There it is, bass on the shiner. Let's get this guy back in the water here. Bet I can catch another one. That's a fish. That's a nice fish. I'm using this $4 reel that I got on Wish. I can feel the handle buckling under the pressure of this smallmouth that I'm fighting. But I'm getting her done. Get my rope situated here. This is a nicer one than the one I caught just previous. Not as big as the largemouth I caught earlier. Get in my net. There we go. Another smallie in the net. This is my hoop net. I love this thing. It's great for spots like this. I can use light line and not break the fish off. Trying to haul it up over the wall. There's the smallie. A little bit bigger than the last one. The last one I heaved up without the net, but I thought this one was going to be a little too big. Probably could have got away with it. There's the hook. Right in the side of his face there. The shiner got flung off while I was trying to net it, unfortunately, because I could have caught another one on that. Get this guy back in the water. Alright, back in the water for this guy. Alright, so I'm using my slip bobber rig. I just got two little split shot hook, which I'm putting in through the roof of the mouth of the fish. Like so. Just like you would if this was like a soft plastic, basically, on a jig head or whatever. And then got the two split shot. I got my slip bobber, which can slip to this stopper here, which I've currently got set about 6 feet. And I'm just running it. I mean, I was running it all through the shallows. That last one I caught out here in the deep. I'm gonna throw it out there again. See what happens. Oh yeah, so I was about to move my other rod down here with the worm on it. I'm gonna set this back up. So the way I do, oh, I got a fish on. So much for getting my net ready. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do the net as I get closer. Just drop it over once he gets near the edge. It's a nice one, I think bigger than the last one. A little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this net. Oh, need to reel. There we go. Oh, it's running. Gonna drop it over the edge. Stepping on it. Get the fish lined up with it. It's the hard part. And lift. And then once I can pull it up, I'll set my rod down and then hoist it up. Oh, this one's fat. I didn't get to keep my shiner this time. There, nice looking smallmouth. It's like a steelhead spawn bag hook, but it's an octopus circle, which is my live bait hook preference. It's a nice one. Get a picture, get him back in the water. There we go. So this is the last shiner I have with me. So I'm probably gonna throw some lures in a minute. Or run home and get more shiners, because I've got them in a bait tank at home waiting for me. Decisions. I'm going to get this other rod out of my way now, because they are not biting the worms today. So you can kind of just set it down and watch it for a while. It's gonna swing inward. Oh, here it goes, fish on. Oh, thought I broke the handle. I felt it just like, I think it was the drag, actually, chopping. Anyway, I was saying, you know, if you want to drift it, you just let the bail open and let it go down. Over here there's some slack water, so if I want to right here I can set it down and just watch the bobber while it floats there. There's one. Yep, he stole my last one. So this did break, I can tell now. This quick release trigger broke on this. There's probably the smallest one of the day on my last shiner, and my handle is completely broken. I'll show you that here in a second. Let this guy go. Might as well take a picture. I took a picture of all the other ones. Alright, back in the water for this guy. So this reel has this quick release trigger. So what's happened is it doesn't hold anymore. So while I was fighting that tiny little smallie, my reel's doing this the whole time, and it's pretty ridiculous. But I guess that's what $4 gets you. I can probably super glue that and it'll be just fine. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to super glue that and keep testing it and see if I can destroy it some more. Need the net or no?
I'm having this boat.
Oh, go ahead and just keep it coming. Nice one.
I'm pulling it now.
Nice. Oh, he's got...
Got it.
You got him? I think you lost it again.
Oh, it kind of looks like there's salami in there.
I don't know how to...
It's heavy. I got it. Hey! You beat.
Usually what I do.
Let's see. Because of all that. Fish on! Go, go, go!
It's on that one. What you got? Something nice? Oh, it's a nice one. Hold on, I'll help you. Nice bass. On the worm? Hot dog.
I'm pulling by the mouth. Hang on. I'm going to have this fishing pole. Whoa! It doesn't like you. It just slapped you. I like the fish. Hey, are those
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Spikers. Hey, looks like salami. Oh, that's good. Can I hold this? Yeah. I'm fishing with that pole. There we go.
Say cheese. Alright.
Well, that's a big mouth.
It's a nice smallie. Is that your first one of the year?
I don't remember. That's a bluegill. And
I mean, first smallmouth of the year, though?
Oh, yeah. First one.
Hot dog.
On a worm. It's out there maybe a minute.
Ooh, quick action. Might have to come back over here.
Can I hold it better now?
It's really heavy, so you can try. It's
Yeah, put your thumb on the inside.
You got it? You gonna throw it in?
Nice one, babe.
Got it?
Good job.
Wow.
It's just like sandpaper.
Fish on.
Fish on, fish on. All but me has catch the fish. Oh wait, not all but me. I mean, whoa, it's
It's a nice one.
big. It's medium. It's a medium. It turned. Oh, that's how the fish swims away. That's how it yeah.
Hot dog. That's about the same size as yours.
Wow. Maybe it's the same fish.
Yours was a tiny bit bigger, I think, actually. Just a little bit. Thank you.
I like it.
Watch your pole there. I don't think you got one yet.
There's my Smallie on the little Clio spoon. Oh, it's in there good. Whew. There we go. There he is. Got it. Alright, let's get this back guy back in the river.